Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Shruti, and if you are new here, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon so you don't miss out any update from us. So, are you tired of building the code bases for both the platforms, that is iOS and Android, for your mobile application? Then here is the solution for you, because today we have a solution which is amazing, which allows you to create applications for both the platforms using a single code base, and which is given by Google. So the answer is Flutter. So today we are going to talk about the Flutter world for iOS and Android development, mobile app development, and today we are going to discuss its features and total development cost. So let's get started. Firstly, let us understand that what Flutter basically is. So Flutter is a cross-platform tool provided by Google. It's basically a Google UI toolkit from which you can develop applications for both the platforms, that is iOS and Android, using a single code base, which means you are saving your time plus your money, and you can use this time and money for other purposes of your application, of your business, like marketing, promotion, or any other thing, so that your application rises top in the whole market. So there are various features of Flutter which makes it the top choice, but now let's discuss the main features of Flutter so that you will understand that why Flutter is the must for your application. First is fast development cycle. So here Flutter has this amazing feature called hot reload, with which you can create amazing applications in really very less period of time, because here with hot reload features you can see the changes you have made in the code instantly on your application without restarting the application, which means when you have to fix any bug or you have to fix anything, you don't have to spend more time on refreshing and restarting your application to see the changes you have made in your code. Second is expressive and flexible UI. So Flutter offers a pre-built widgets for your application so that you can create amazing applications, and these widgets help you create applications which are unique, great design and great user interface. Plus here you can also change the colors, layouts, or anything you want to change in these widgets, which means these are customizable widgets so that you can change your application according to your style and make it stand out in the whole market. Third is native app performance. So here Flutter is a cross-platform tool, but it also works as a native application. Everything you get from Flutter is like a native app, which means that your application is going to run smoothly and in a very great way when it comes to any platform, iOS and Android. They are going to work as a native applications because Flutter really provides high quality applications. Next is access to platform APIs. So here Flutter allows the developers to connect directly with the features of the device, may it be an iPhone or may it be our Android application or Android phone. So here, which means that your application can directly and easily connect with features of the device like camera, or we can say GPS, or any other hardware or software thing where your users will get a great experience from your application. And lastly, large community support. So here, as Flutter is growing day by day, there are huge number of developers and testers who are working on Flutter. So here you get a huge community of Flutter developers, Flutter users, where you can ask anything, any doubt you want, and you will get a huge response from each and every one of them. So now we have seen that how Flutter really is going to help you create your application in a much better way. Now let's talk about the development cost. This is a such great tool, then what it will cost if you seriously want to build a successful application from Flutter. So the development cost typically ranges between 10 to 20 lakhs or even more, depending upon the complexity of your application, that what you want from your application. And now if you seriously want a accurate cost of your application, then you can directly call us. Our contact number is given in the description box. Here we will provide you customized quotation according to your requirements. So if you seriously want to build a successful application, then we are always here to help you out, because in our company we are going to be there with each and every side of the way, at each and every step, may it be about the concept of application, designing, development, launch, or even after launch. We are always there to help you out, to support you, to track the performance of your application. Is it about the updates? We are always going to be there by your side. So if you seriously want anything, you have any doubt, or you want to contact us directly, then our contact number is given in the description box. That's it for today's video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And for further information, you can also visit our website, which is linked in the description. Thank you, and we'll meet in the next video.